Stop the video and fix the sentence. If you get 8 out of 10 correct, your English is strong. The first sentence is she go to school every day. Stop the video and fix the sentence. She goes to school every day because with she we use goes. He don't like coffee. Stop the video. He does not like coffee. Does not is correct with he. I am agree with you. I agree with you. Agree never comes with am. She is more smarter than me. She is smarter than me. Don't use more with er words. He did not went there. He did not go there. After did not use base verb. If you are still watching, your English is improving. Don't skip. She has 20 years old. She is 20 years old. Age come with is not has. I did not knew the answer. I did not know the answer. Did plus base form. Where you are going? Where are you going? Question words comes first. She is afraid from dogs. She is afraid of dogs. Correct position is of. I have seen him yesterday. I saw him yesterday. Yesterday is equal to past simple. Comment your score out of 10. Follow for daily English challenges.